Alright, today I'm going to share with you how you can earn up to 23% on your cryptocurrencies if you're from Australia or New Zealand. I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide on how you can do this. If you do have any questions, feel free to let me know in the description below. I'll be happy to answer them. So the next step is you'll need to earn interest on your cryptocurrencies. You can do this on Digital Surge, and I'll leave a link in the description for this. You'll need to set up your account and verify your account. So I'll leave a video in the description as well how to do this, because I've made a step-by-step guide on how to set up your account on Digital Surge. So now what you need to do is click on the tab right here on the top right, click on the earn feature. Now this is where you can actually earn interest on your cryptocurrencies. Now this is a list of all the cryptocurrencies right now that you can stake and earn interest on. Now there will be more added in the near future. So once you have found the cryptocurrency that you wish to stake, if yours isn't here at the moment, you could also reach out to them and ask them questions in their live chat right here. Now this will tell you on the top right your total rewards and your next rewards. And this will tell you the approximate value that you've staked on the platform. So this is how you actually do it. So first step is you need to buy one of these cryptocurrencies right here that's on the list. It tells you how much you earn right here, which is 23%, which is the highest that you can get, which is Kava. And then you got 18 to 21% on Secret and so forth, as you can see right here. Now first step, you'll need to actually buy the cryptocurrency that's on the list. So you need to deposit funds here on the top right. You can see the deposit funds. You need to use PayID or Poly or bank transfer. It doesn't really matter. PayID is simpler to me. That's the one I use. And then the next step is once you have deposited funds in your account, it will appear on the top right here. You need to go to your wallet. You need to go buy the cryptocurrency. So you need to click on buy and sell button right here. Now you need to go to the cryptocurrency that you want to buy, the one that I shared with you before. So I'm going to pick Kava. So I've already bought some myself, but if you do want to buy some, you do the same things that I'm just doing right here. Click on buy and you can type in the amount that you wish to buy. So let's say you want to buy $20 worth. You click on buy and then you would have the cryptocurrency in your wallet. So now once you have bought it, you need to go back to the tab right here, click on earn and go to the cryptocurrency that you've just bought. It doesn't matter which one it is on the list. As long as it's on the list, you can stake it and earn interest per year. Now I just want to give you a rough estimate on how much you'll earn. So let's say you was to put $1,000 into Kava. In 1 year, if your $1,000 stay the same value, so if this price of this cryptocurrency doesn't go up or down, you earn from your $1,000, you earn $230 per year. Now I just want a heads up, cryptocurrency is very volatile, so it can go up or down. So depending on if the cryptocurrency is up, you will earn more because the value of cryptocurrency goes up, your interest stays the same. But if it goes down, the interest stay the same, but the price has dropped, so now you'll earn less. That's just a heads up. So be very careful with this. So the next step is to earn. You need to click on the earn button right here and click on how much you wish to stake. You can type it in here, or you can just click on max amount and then click on earn. Now your cryptocurrency portfolio is earning interest per year, and you're now just on top of the price going up, you now earn interest on your cryptocurrency. It's that simple to set up. It'll tell you the rewards right here, and it'll also share with you how much you'll earn and your total rewards. If you do have any questions at all, feel free to let me know in the description below. I'll be happy to answer them. If you do want a link to this to Digital Surge, I'll leave a link in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.